Hello friends and happy Tuesday. Today for your lesson in reading, you're going to need your Love That Dog book, your sticky notes or a piece of paper, and something to write with. So if you need to go grab those things, then go ahead and pause this video, and then when you have them, you can play it back. All right, we left off yesterday, reading Jack's example of a shape poem. And today we're picking up on pages 38 to 41. So 38, 39, 40, and 41. We're going to read 4 pages today. I want you to think of them as kind of 2 separate parts. There's page 38, and then there's pages 39 through 41 as a second kind of little piece. So here's page 38. It says March 1st. Yes, you can type up the yellow dog poem that looks like a dog, but this time keep the spaces exactly the same. It would look really, really good on yellow paper. Maybe you could put my name on it, but only if you want to, only if you think it looks good enough. And I'm going to make sure that I've got my sticky notes or my paper here nearby because I want to add some notes to this page. I want to add a note that Jack sounds both confident and kind of nervous at the same time. He's still not ready to have his name be on his work, but he's also kind of showing his confidence and giving his teacher some direction on how he wants the yellow dog poem to look. So I'm going to kind of add that note to my page here, and then I'm ready to move on to 39 to 41. March 7th. I was a little embarrassed when people said things to me like, oh wait, you know what? I just missed something. I have to go back a second. He did say maybe you could put my name on it. For some reason in my head, I read that as you can't. It's a big moment. That deserves an exclamation point. Whoa. He wants his name on the poem. That's a big moment. I don't know how I missed that. Sometimes as readers, it's really good when you get new information to go back and change your thinking. All good readers do that. All right, let's start again on March 7th, page 39. I was a little embarrassed when people said things to me like, neat poem, Jack, and how'd you think of that, Jack? And I really, really like the one you put up about the tree that is shaped like a tree. Not a fake looking tree, but like a real tree with straggly branches. But I want to know who is the anonymous poet in our class who wrote that, and why didn't he or she want to put his or her name on it? Was it like me when I didn't think my words were poems? Maybe we'll tell the anonymous tree poet that his or her tree poem is really a poem. Really, really, and a good poem, too. So for this part, I'm thinking to myself that there's a connection here. It's not a connection that I have with Jack. It's a connection between Jack and the tree poet. And it's this idea of being anonymous. Remember, anonymous means that you don't want anyone to know what you're thinking. So there's a connection here that I'm going to add. So I've got 3 notes. That's probably pretty decent. And now on the assignment, I'm going to go take a picture of those 3 notes, and then I'm going to fill out the chart. First, I'm going to fill out the chart for page 38. What happened? What was Jack feeling? How do I know? And then I'm going to fill out the chart for pages 39 to 41 as a group. What happened? How is Jack feeling? How do I know? So you're going to go do that work now, and then I'll be in touch looking at your notes, and we'll use those as well when we come back next week. All right, hope you have a great Tuesday. Bye.